All right guys, what's up? Today we are unboxing the Pure Racing traction fork. Now, this guy just came in. It is designed for the Ultra Bee. It is super sleek. It comes with a titanium coating on the bottom stanchion. Now what that's gonna do is gonna deliver smooth power all the way through the stroke and gonna give you a superior coating to last a little while longer. A little weird, it's blue, but hey, we're getting used to it. So we're gonna open this box, we're gonna take a look at the fork, and I'll let you know my first thoughts on what we see in it. Wow. That is blue. It's so sweet though. All right, let's pull this fork out. Damn, it is heavy, dude. Whew, this thing is chunky. It is definitely far heavier than your stock Ultra Bee fork. And the one thing that really upsets me with Pure is they put a non-die cut sticker on the side of their fork. Other than that, this fork is so sweet. The machining on this fork is bar none the nicest out there, comparable to your Cirrus suspension. Anything else for the Ultra Bee is not up to the challenge. So this Pure Racing fork looks great, comes in this Kashima coating. Crowns are made out of billet aluminum. There's some nice machining on the bottom crown and on the top crown. All the strength without the excess weight. And big, nice triple clamps, big, nice fork legs. This fork looked super sweet. One of my favorite things is the machining on the bottom of the fork, type of cut they used, CNC on the bottom of the fork. So I really, really love this kind of prickly element to it where you can see the CNC lines in the fork. Love that. And thank God we have this Warp 9 Supermoto sliders in stock so we don't damage this fork. So yeah, I don't know, this thing's pretty sweet. Out of the box, it looks really great. The color on it is so beautiful. It's chunky, it's heavy. And my favorite part of this bike is this top crown. So this guy is absolutely beautiful. So this fork comes in two different kinds. This fork comes in a trail version, which is the one we have in front of us. And then it comes in the MX version as well. The difference between the trail and the MX version is the trail is going to be the lighter spring, so you get more small bump compliance as opposed to more tension in the spring, meaning that you get just more compliance on the bigger jumps. You're not gonna bottom out on the big jumps. But for me, I'm mostly riding my bike as a supermoto, so in that regard, it's gonna be kind of all road, and with that is gonna be small bump compliance, so I went with the trail fork. First thing I'm gonna do is slap this on my bike, and we'll have another video with some riding updates.